Mr. Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests, have you observed the recent PUC results? Year by year, the expectation on our children are going up. The cut-off marks for the premium institutions are going up year by year. To be competent enough, an average child have to spend minimum 4 to 6 hours burning midnight oil. But at what consequence? What will happen to their cute little eyes? They strain like this. Children having, preteens having specs as thick as a soda bottle is a very common sight nowadays. A common reason for this is improper lighting. If you use incandescent light, it generates a lot of heat and makes it uncomfortable for studying. And it wastes quite a lot of energy. If you use a fluorescent lamp or a CFL lamp, it does not light up unless you have the proper voltage. And when it lights up, it keeps flickering at a high frequency, creating strain to your eyes. The product which I am going to demonstrate today generates cool, white, unflickering white light without any ultraviolet or infrared radiation. This product is jointly developed with the leading eye hospital and eye research institute, Shankar Nethralaya. Shankar Nethralaya had tested this study light and certified them as safe for study. The light generated by this study light is safe for study. The upper part of this product is the lighting element. This consists of 24 high quality light emitting diodes, LEDs, formed in a halo formation. And as you know, this generates no heat, making it comfortable for the student who is studying. The life of an LED is 100,000 hours. The useful life of the LED is 100,000 hours. That is 50 times more than a CFL lamp. Just calculate what this 100,000 hours means for a customer. If a customer is using this light for 6 hours a day, that corresponds to 16,500 days. That means 43 years. Definitely the lighting element will outlive most of the people sitting in this room. The top portion, there is a halo ring which emanates light, adding to the beauty of the product. The base of the product carries 2 NIMH battery and the charging circuit and the on-off switch. The bottom is perfectly leveled so that we can sit stable on a table. And the connecting part is a flexible hose. It is flexible in any way, any direction. You can go like this, you bend like this, it will stay like this. Good. Because of this flexible nature, this can be used to light up inaccessible areas. Something like if you want to see the faulty part inside a car, the hood of a car, or to search something below a kitchen drawer or something like that. The power to this product comes from a detachable adapter. This adapter converts 230 volts AC into 12 volts DC. And through a jack in the base, this can be charged. Because the adapter is detachable, this study light is truly portable in nature. You can carry this anywhere without that annoying power cord hanging from this. and with one charge it will operate continuously for 6 hours. Because there are no high voltages in this product when it is operating, you can give it to any toddler and leave it unsupervised. And even a preteen, naughty preteen like Andrew, who has got exploring fingers, can handle this safely. The plastics, the body is made up of high quality ABS plastic, and it is available in colors yellow, red, pink, black, white, and many other attractive colors. For the product design, this product has won many international awards. The notable among that is the Red Dot Award from Germany. Being a cute product, this has found a place in the consulting room of many leading lawyers, doctors, and architects. And it comes in a very sturdy packing, sturdy and attractive packing, which makes it a perfect choice for a gift. Dear friends, we spent 10,000s of rupees for an iPad or any other gadget which your child use it as a mere toy. I place before your product which costs much less than that and which will enable your child for a better tomorrow. Toastmasters.